Okay, so continuing on from our previous product research, I'm going to show you another way still using Amazon without any extra added tools. So now you found a product within a category that's pretty cool, but now if you want to keep going through all the categories, you can absolutely do that and just browse through pretty much every category on Amazon. And it's advisable to maybe make a list. So make a list of the products that look best to you. Even open an Excel spreadsheet, put the name of your product and what you think is good about it. Whether it's highly competitive or low competitive, or it's got good reviews, bad reviews, the price range, and things like that. So list your products and what you feel is good and bad about it. But yeah, so once you've got that, you've got a good list of products. But there's another way. So we're still on this Chew Dog Chew Toy page, and we're gonna look at this seller. So you'll notice right underneath here, it says sold by Young Ever LLC and fulfilled by Amazon. So this is probably a private label seller or a seller like you and I selling something on Amazon. So we're going to click on their name, and you can click on Young Ever LLC storefront, and you can view the specific seller's other products. And if you look at something like this, which for sure they're selling dog toys, microfiber cleaning cloths, amber glass bottles. This is definitely a private label seller or a seller like you and I, just an individual person selling multiple products that they found that sell well. So you can see they're doing pretty well. Number 428 in industrial and scientific, so that's a pretty good ranking. Number 2,000 in pet supplies, 3,000 in sports and outdoors, 1,800 in kitchen and dining. So they know what they're doing, and their products are selling well. So now what you can do is you can basically break into different categories by looking at other private label sellers on Amazon. So let's take a look. They're selling 60 pieces of microfiber cleaning cloths. So let's take a look at that cloth pack. So they've got very good images, high quality images, as you can see here. Yeah, very, very good. It's got good ratings, only 27 reviews, so this could even be something that you could jump into and compete against, because you can easily compete against something like this with so few reviews. We can scroll down and see, yeah, their sales rank has been good for a good time as well. Their price has been $19, so it still fits within our criteria. And yeah, and it fits within 2.5 pounds. Okay, so that's quite heavy. Well, it's not too bad. Under 3 pounds, I would say, is the ultimate most that I'd go. 2 pounds usually is about the highest that I've shipped. So what happens is when it starts getting heavier than that, you start paying extra fees, and the shipping actually becomes very, very costly. And it actually costs more to ship your product than the actual cost of the physical product, which I've done in the past. I've shipped something that the shipping cost was almost double the amount of my product, but I still managed to make a profit because of the premium price I was selling it at. So it's not too bad, but we're still aiming for the perfect product. So this is not bad. This is definitely something you could enter into, and it's got a 3.8 rating out of 5 stars. So you could improve on this slightly. Maybe let's go see what they're saying. Very thin, not for auto detailing, but okay for around the house. So that's something you could improve upon. A good way to find a product that you can improve upon, or find ways to improve upon a product, is to look at the reviews and see what people are complaining about, and sort of just fix that up and then improve it with your listing, and you'll do much better.